I have a very old fetters and wall air conditioner model ACT11F2E that needs cleaning, coils, etc. I initially thought it might be a slide-out chassis, but after pulling off the front cover, it does not seem easy or possible to pull the unit into the apartment, but I would like to know for sure. Accessing the unit from the outside isn't a realistic option right now. I haven't been able to find a manual online, etc. I would like to know if it is possible to pull the unit into the apartment from the inside without touching the outdoor/exterior bits. If so, how?
Thanks for counting on us to help with your appliance problem. My name is XXXXX I look forward to helping you. On those older units, there is usually a screw on each side of the side panels that has to be removed before it will pull out. Can you get me a picture of the front of the machine as the model is not coming up?
Picture would only attach as PNG file, not as JPG. Here it is.
Thank you. XXXXXX post 1 with the front panel removed, showing the air conditioner in the sleeve, please.
The reply interface is buggy. Going to edit message to try and attach picture.
Thank you. Sorry you are having trouble. You can upload to www.tinypic.com if you still have issues.
Please don't respond to this or it won't let me edit. Once the picture is attached, then you can respond. Thanks.
Okay, that does look like it pulls out of the wall sleeve. Can you see any screws on the bottom of the side panels, near the front?
I see one hex head screw on the bottom of each side panel near the front.
Take those out and see if it will slide forward, please.
I took them out, but the thing feels pretty solid, no movement forward or otherwise. Honestly, I am not sure where to grip properly. There aren't clear slide grips like I've seen for newer ACs. Also, there is a metal lip that is part of the sleeve that would appear to restrict sliding. I guess I am supposed to bend the sleeve a bit to clear the lip. There are also two metal brackets linking the main part of the AC with the sleeve. I will get some pictures up in a minute.
Okay, I will take a look and see what they show.
Please hold on reply to this until picture is attached. Website still reporting problems with the site. We'll try again later.
I understand, thank you.
Website still reporting problems with the site. Here it is on TinyPic, http://tinypic.com/r/2nlh11c/5.
Looking at it from that angle, it may not slide out. Can you do one more picture of the underside of the AC on the outside of your home, please? Also, one of the back will be helpful, too.
Okay, I will send you some pictures later. Assuming it cannot be slid out, I wonder if you think it can be dug out, layer by layer, assuming of course, that I am meticulous about which screws go where, etc. For reassembly. Again, this is for the purpose of cleaning. Would I be able to get to the coils from the inside?
Well, it would have to be removed from the wall and the outer wrapper removed. That part would not be bad, aside from the removing it from the wall.
Here is a picture of the underside and back, http://tinypic.com/r/343cusp/5.
Okay, it definitely will slide out of the cabinet. There must be some screws holding it along the side. Mark where the screws go and remove the screws from the cabinet inside the home and see if it will then slide out.
Thank you for the response. I will take your advice with the screws, etc., but given the considerable effort I expect to be involved, can you please explain what it is about the exterior picture that makes you so sure that it will slide out?
It is all solid and one piece around the bottom and sides. If it was not, the sides would be separate from the bottom so the wrapper could come off to allow access to the internal components. Thank you for allowing me to assist you. I am happy to answer any follow-up questions you may have at no additional charge.
Okay. I'll have a go at the AC over the weekend. I may have a follow-up question or two. Thanks again for all of your help. I'm giving you an excellent rating.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.